3, 2, 1, go. Go. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during a G3 weekly tournament here in the Philippines. This time, the Dragon King will be pushed to the limit. A team of young Bladers decided to test their skills and challenge him to take him down. This group of young Bladers is no stranger to the weekly G3 tournaments. This time, they're targeting the Dragon King. Trained by one of the all-time greats in Beyblade, it's Dagestan BBX. The first to challenge the Dragon King is Arrows. Will Arrows defeat the Dragon King in the challenge, or will the Dragon King make a comeback? Stick around to find out. These are the combos that I used for this challenge. Grand Sword with a 380 ratchet and the low flat bit. Grand Buster with the 560 ratchet and the point bit. Cobalt Dragoon with the 160 ratchet and the rush bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge.
Pick mo na. Pick mo na. Kuya DK.
Practice pa rin po ito.
Oo, okay. Ay, balik ka rin na lang natin.
Pero system na ba?
Oo, pero hindi mo kailangan i-mail. Hindi ko magana yung camera.
Ay, thank you. Hindi mo mga nagana po. Thank you.
Sige, first day mo. First day, third day.
Hindi po mo grand tour.
Hindi ko magana to. Sa camera lang. Length ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey, pumunok ba? Hindi ko nakikita. Hindi, na-miss ko lang. Ulit. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Still speed. Still speed now.
Oh. 1-0. Next play tayo.
Oy!
Dito.
Ganun kala mo. Hindi. Oh, layo ko
So, panalo ako ng 1 set. Isa pa tayo. Jacket boy tayo.
Again daw, jacket ko. Again? Oh, here.
Okay. First day ulit.
Oh,
3, 2, 1, go.
Ano po ang
Tayo. 380 low flow. Hindi alaman sila 1-0. Hindi siya nakaka-spin still eh. Show ba ulit?
Hindi totoo balita.
Hindi.
Hindi totoo balita.
1-0.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
All one.
Thursday. Alam eh, kung may steel spin talaga. Ready?
Ay, oo. Right na.
3, 2, 1, go.
Relaunch tayo, relaunch.
Ilang kami pa kaya?
Oh, papagurin nyo daw.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
1 point lang kasi dalawang miss lunch. So, ano tayo? 3-1, 3-1. Shuffle, shuffle. Baka mapindot mo ah. Show me ano na.
Shobi. Abot ko dyan, lahat gusto mix. Yun lang, yun. Yan. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ano pa?
Ay, sayang.
Oh, yun.
Ikaw. Hindi, 3-2. Show me ulit. Okay.
Kain ba?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Sayang.
All 3.
All 3.
Yan, parehas. Parehas ano, steel spin.
Nako.
Magagawa ng ikot to.
Wala rin.
Magagawa ng ikot yan. Later, ready? Ginagamit mo na?
Oh.
3, 2, 1, go!
Kilo.
So, 4-3. Nanalo. Nice game, nice game. Fist bump tayo.
And that's game. Unfortunately, the Dragon King messed up the score, so this will be a no contest. Fear not, Arrows, we will have a rematch to decide the winner of this battle. For now, props to a great battle, and I'll see you again soon. So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to Arrows and Dagestan PBX, and I'll see you guys on the next video.